Okay. All right, so what I want to do is start here with great posture. Let's check our feet, 90-degree angles, or even more if you're comfortable with that in the dance section here. Legs are straight but not locked. Hip bones level, cerebrals level. Lift up tall to the top of your head. Lengthen the spine. You can lift your chin a little bit more than you would in marching rehearsal. And everybody just relax your shoulders, loosen them up a little bit. And then we want a long neck. Blade hands, so we're going to have thumbs in, fingers together, pressed against your body. And this is the position I want you to start from a really powerful position. Now Tandu out into second position. And just a reminder, do that one more time. Let's make sure as we go through Tandu, we're really sliding that dollar bill out and not leaning, okay, but slide that dollar bill out and then replace or shift your weight. Now, what I want to do before we even start the stretch routine is see how much powerful we can look. How much power can you project? How much confidence can you project? All right, now, the first part of the stretch routine, remember, we're going to prep to the left side. So everybody right now, let your left shoulder go down, right shoulder go up, and let your head just kind of naturally look toward your left knee, and reach for that left knee in the toaster. Everybody show me where Flat Stanley is. Here's our toaster. So when we reach for the knee, we're going to be in that toaster, and we're going to look, actually. We're going to look at your knee. Okay? Then we're going to take it out to the side. Just stand still. I don't need it to be fancy. Okay. Arms up, and over. All right, check that position.
Stand over here facing that way, or the sun's not going to get you. Just stand right there.
Flat back. Sorry, up, straight up, straight up. So you're going to reach for the sky here. Let's review the counts real quick. Go back to here. Here's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Sorry. Here's 4. Here's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Now we're going to reach for the corner. Make sure your right leg is really straight. You should feel the stretch in your right leg. Match the angle in the front and the back. And release. Now on the release, you want to make sure you shake your head out, shake your arms out so everything's really floppy. And then plie. Now everybody stand up. Let's check the plie position again. Okay, you're up here, second position. Bend the knees over the second toe. Pressing the knees out. Nice shape of a house with a roof, right? You've got the side walls and you've got the roof. Lift up and release your upper body. There you go. Now as we come up, it's going to be 3 counts. It's going to be the lower legs and lower body, the midsection, then the upper section, then the face, but it's all in 3 counts. Ready? And up to face. One more time. Give it a little bit more pop with the face on count 3. Ready? And up, up. Go back. Start with the legs. The legs have to straighten first. Ready? And up, up, face. There we go. Then prep the right side. Again in the toaster. Count 1. Count 2. Count 3, we reach straight up in the air. Count 4, we're over. And again, everybody show me the M. That's wrong. Now up and over the power lines is good. Up, count 5. Reach for the corner, count 7. And release, count 9. Plie, count 11. 13, 14, face, prep. Over, 2, up, over, up. Flat back. Release, plie, and up, 2, face, prep, over, 2, 3, 4, up, flat back, release, plie, and up, 2, face. Did we do 4 already? Okay, so on this one, we're down, And we're going to go 1, 2 to right here with the arms above the head, straight legs. And then we're going to drive the shoulders all the way up. Drive the shoulders. Next count, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again, count 4 is right here. Count 12 is right here. Alright, so show me 4 and 12. Memorize that position. Because we go slow, small, 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 small. Big, 2, 7, 8. Big, 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 count 12. Find that spot. And then small, 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 small. Okay, so here's another thing we can do with this. Everybody take your arm from here to here in 4 counts. Side to here for 4 counts. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take your arm all the way down in 4 counts. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to see the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4 is small. 5, 6, 7, 8 big. 9, 10, 11, 12 big. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th small. Okay, to the left. Left hand's on top of your head. Right hand's on top. Ready? And side. And front. Count 8. You're right in the middle. 9, 10, 11, 12. Memorize that spot. Pull all the way to the toaster. And then 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. And then to the right. 2, 3, 4. In front. 2, 3, 4. And pull the shoulder back. And up, 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 up. And side. 2, 3, 4. In front. 2, 3, 4. Inside. 2, 3, 4. Up, 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 up. And down. 2, 3, 4. And front. Don't go early. 3. Middle. 9, 10. Pull the shoulder back. Up, 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 up. Next count. Pivot your feet to the end zone. Okay, everybody look real quick. Look here at my feet. I'm in a great second position. And I go pivot. Just so we all do it exactly the same way. And then you're going to take your right foot and step way back. And you'll notice that I have a very straight back leg. My right knee is at right angle up here. My knee is over my ankle. Left hand on the knee, right hand on the ground. You're going to hold for a count of 8. Then we're going to hold for another count of 8. At the last 2 beats, stretching into the heel. Stretch, stretch. What are we not going to do? Dip the knee, right. Okay, we're going to go stretch, stretch, pop up. All right, now just a reminder, everybody stand up tall. This particular position is left foot straight to the end zone, right foot at a 45-degree angle. Both legs are straight, hips are square to the end zone. Push your right hip bone forward more. Now bend over until you really feel that stretch along the back side of your left leg. If you're really flexible, you should be down here at the ground. If you're not very flexible, up here. Practice going from back there to up there a couple times. Runner's lunge to runner's stretch. Okay, now from the runner's stretch, we're going to pull the bow. We're going to go to our yoga pose by first pulling to the armpit and unrolling up here. And you want to have a straight line from right wrist to left wrist. And look up at your hand. And then we're going to go back that same pathway to the ground. Go through second. To the other side. Step back. Check that your back leg is straight. Front knee is over your ankle. Left hand on the ground, right hand on your knee. Stretch, stretch, pop up. Make sure you're really getting a great stretch in your right hamstring. Yoga pose, pull through your armpit and all the way up. Both legs have to be straight. Then it comes down and you pull into first. That has to happen in 2 counts. So if you look at me up here, I'm in the yoga pose and I go 1, 2. Okay, if I started on the yard line, I'm gonna be up here. Yoga pose, 1, 2. And then I'm gonna go 3, 4. Lower, middle, upper face. Try that in 4 counts. You're up in yoga pose. Pull down and pull into first position in 2 counts. Roll it up, face is the last thing. Face is the last thing. Go try it again. Make sure the face is the very last thing. Good. All right, let's do that much, please. Here we go. First position, start in first. Start in a good first position. Tandu in a second. Make sure you look like you know what you're doing. You look like you mean business. You're ready to perform. You should pretend like you're a lone performer on a stage with a spotlight. You guys have all heard me say this before, but some of you really internalize that really well. Right foot's on your dot. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, prep. Over, 2, 3, 4, up, flat back, release, plie, and up, 2, face, prep. Over, 2, 3, 4, up, flat back, release, plie, and up, 2, face, prep. Over, 2, 3, 4, up, flat back, release, plie, and up, 2, face, prep. Over, 2, 3, 4, up, flat back, release, plie, and 1, 2, drive the shoulders, 1, 2, 3, 4, in front, 2, 7, 8, and pull the shoulder back, and dut, 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 and small, 2, 3, 4, and big, 2, 3, 4, and big, pull the shoulder back, up, 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 up and down, 2, 3, 4, and front, 2, 4, and 5, 12, up, up, one more time, and down, 2, 3, 4, and front, 2, 3, 4, and pull the shoulder back, and up, 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 and wide down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, stretch, stretch, pop up, 2, 3, 4, and arm, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, turn around, step back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, stretch, lengthen, and up, 2, 3, 4, and yoga, and hold, and down to the middle, zip up. And remember, that's like a zipper. You should feel like your whole body just goes from bottom to top. Got it? Yes. Plies looked bad. I wasn't even facing you, and I know they looked bad. Okay? They're looking like this. Okay? We've got to make sure when we do release, plie, that you're driving those knees that way. Now, do this. Get those knees back in line with your ankle bones. Now let them creep forward. Ugh, ugly. Shake it out. Then we'll do the next part. Get some water. Okay, so we just came up, and we've got a really great first position here. We just zipped it up right on your dot. And then what we're going to do is some plies. Now remember, plie is knees over your second toe, so do a first position plie. And then come back up. Demi-plie is where we go down, and we don't lift our heels yet. So we go down 2, up 2, down 2, up 2. And then we're going to go releve 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to drop to a grand plie and up. And it's kind of a bounce. Down 2, up 2, down 2, up 2, and releve 2, 3, 4, and grand plie and up. And you got to be careful on your grand plie. Go to demi real quick. Now go to grand plie. Look, don't do this. Go back up. Watch me. A lot of you just want like this. Demi-plie, grand plie. So we want to go demi-plie, let the heels come up naturally, grand plie, press the heels on your way back up. Okay, so demi, up, releve, bounce out of it, up, and don't lean forward. Right, that's the basic notion of each part of this next routine. So we're going to do it in first position. Then we're going to tandu into second. Then we're going to do the fourth. That's just a weird way of saying we're going to go through third into fourth. Did I tell you where fourth was? Yeah, okay. Then we're going to go to third. Then we're going to lift our heel and go to the other third. Then we're going to go fourth. Then we're going to go through first into second on the other side. and then we're going to go back to first. And that's the whole thing. Each time doing the same thing. So if we go second position, demi 2, up 2, demi 2, up 2, and up and releve, and grand plie, and up. Okay, when we go to fourth, tendu into third, tendu into fourth, demi 2, up 2, demi 2, up 2, and up and releve, and grand plie, and up. Then we go to third, demi, up, demi, up, and releve, and drop, and up. Other side, demi, up, releve, drop, and up. Get the picture? Sure. Then we do fourth, second, and back into first. Each time we have arms that go with that. So what I want you guys to do is show me zombie arms. Eat your brains, right? Okay, zombie arms. Straight out means slightly down. So we don't want to be way up here. You want water to be able to run from your shoulder. What's that called? Elbow, yeah. Elbow, wrist, finger. It just wouldn't come to me. I'm old, sorry. Okay, so water runs down here. We go from there to there. Now, when you're first learning this, guys, I do not want any pretty fingers. If we were doing this in ballet, we would be like up and down, right? But we're not. We're going to go band kids trying to do ballet. Up and down. But if you could look at Connor here, go ahead and put your arms down. Push up against me. Push up, push, 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 push. All right, now on the way down, push, 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 push. See the idea there? You want to pretend like you're pushing against somebody, and then you're pushing against somebody the other way. Try that. Up, down. And then we're going to go to the side. Up. Is this too high? Yes. Yeah, and we want it to be slightly in front of the breastbone and slightly down, and then press down. So we go up, 2, down, 2, and up, 2, down, 2. Then we're going to go like this. 1, 2. Meet at your sternum. Palms down. 3, 4. Now, remember we talked about Harry Potter, and we talked about Star Wars, and we talked about energy lines, right? You're shooting energy out your fingertips. This should be like 1, 2, shoot the energy up. You're like everything about a pencil except the lead. See how I'm right there? I'm not touching. I'm in a pencil, but not the lead at the top. Go like that. Stretch, 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 stretch more. Stretch higher, higher, higher. And then you're going to go like this. Out. Look up. Like you're catching rain. And then you're going to go like this. Flip down. Did I make any noise?
No, sir.
You did. Flip down. It should have energy like you're smacking, but doesn't smack. Up, 2, down, 2, and up, 2, down, 2, and 1, 2, 3, reach, out, 2, and flip, down. Up, 2, down, 2, and up, 2, down, 2, and 1, 2, reach, up, look, up, flip, down. Good, and we just put that with the pliés. Watch me do it once, then you're going to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and oh, I missed it. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down, and flip down. Okay? Now, usually we move to the next foot placement on and 1, 2. So you already start the arms as we go. We go baton and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up, 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 and down, and flip. On some of them, we go like this. We go up, 2, 3, 4, down, and flip the hands, move the foot, go. All right, so let's just talk about the feet. Down, 2, up, 2, down, 2, up, 2, and up, 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 grand plie, up, and 1, 2, up, 2, 1, 2, up, 2, and releve, and grand plie, out, and boom. See how I did that? Do that again. Grand plie, out, and move. Then you immediately go into down 2, up, 2, and down 2, up, 2, and releve, grand plie, up, in. See that? Down 2, up, 2, down 2, up, 2, and releve, grand plie, up, and 1, 2, up, 2, 1, 2, up, 2, and releve, grand plie, and boom, 2, up, 2, and boom, 2, up, and releve, and down, and up, and 1, 2, up, 2, and 1, 2, up, 2, and releve, and down, and boom, and down, up, down, up, and releve, down, and up. All of that has the same arms. Okay? Let's cut the video for a second. Pull up tall. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, up, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4th, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up, 2, 3, 4, plie, 3rd, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up, 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 grand plie, flip, and 3rd, up, and 3rd, up, and up, 2, 3, 4, grand plie, flip, down, and 4th, up, and 4th, up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, arms, flip, down, and 2nd, up, and 2nd, up, and releve, arms out, flip, down, and 1, 2, 4, and 5, 6, 7, up, 2, 3, 4, grand plie, flip, down. Shake it out. This is the lunge sequence. So we want to talk about lunges in general first, especially for the new members. Everybody go to second position to the left. Here's a plie. Do a plie. Now straighten your right leg. Alright, so all a lunge is really is you have basically one of your knees is in a plie type position and one of your legs is straight. Now look at my upper body for a second. If I keep my arms straight out and my spine straight up and down, that's one look. If I let my spine go with my body, it's a different look. Okay, so everybody take your right arm like this. Keep it straight in the air. And up. Now, don't do anything weird. Just let your angle match your leg, and you can actually see it in your shadow right now. It's so cool. See it? And up. Straight up and down. Up. Angle straight from your pinky all the way to your heel. And up. We're going to play around with both of those positions in this. Now everybody tendu straight forward. Tendu. Big tendu. Now press into your knee in the front and take that knee over your toe.